Hello and welcome. We are outside of the Rushington roundabout and we're looking for this little trail called Spicer Hill Trail, I think. Well, that's the name I've given it. There's another lovely sunny morning. I know, it's called the Run Walk Trail. I'll call it the Run Walk Trail. So it's through here, off this busy road. Busy for a lockdown. And there's the river on the right. Look at that. So this takes us up to a skate park and another park at the end. And they're cutting the grass over there. Oh, a bit bumpy. Very noisy. Sorry viewers. Oh, there's a squirrel. It's quite narrow. But at least it's paved. Well, not great a surface for cycling. There's a little bridge. Do we cross it? I can't remember. I don't think we cross it. But we can have a look at it. We'll keep going. The wood pigeon. A bird that sounds like a car alarm. I think we go up here. Through here. These are like someone's gardens on the left. Goes around. I can see a railway on the right. Yeah, this is Run Walk. Or we can go down and look at the river. Let's have a look at the river and we'll carry on. Oh, there's not much to see. It's just dark. Let's go up through here. Come on, you can do it. No climbing. That's what the sign says. Up through here. I don't think many people know about this. Old trees. That's a big log. I can hear a train. Oh, this bit's a bit steep. Ooh. Oh, bit of stone. Risk of falling. Can we go in? All right, thank you. Yeah, I won't go that way. Oh, scared the shit out of me. Wowie. There's a cycle route here. Ah, this must be it. This is the park I was looking for. There's the little park. I think it's up through here. Morning.
He has to water every place.
No, I don't blame him. Can you cycle it? Yes. Over the bridge. Keep going down. Whoa. Wow, there's a green area. I think we go left. Let's have a look through here. I think we'll go back that way to see the rest of the route. So this should be another green area past these hedges. And possibly the skate park. Yes, it's the skate park. Fantastic. There's the skate park. This area is closed by order of the government. This is the football ground. Little football. And we'll just have a look at it. We're not going to hang around. So there's the skate park. No one on it today. Nice little area, isn't it? And there's like a zip wire. Oh, I'm glad I come here now. Glad to see this place. And there's some sort of like BMX racetrack over there. These are the toilets. Be a nice place to hang out when it's all back to normal. Right, we've got to go back the way we come. I thought I wouldn't find this after seeing that route being closed off. I think it's down through here. Oh, over a little brook. Over another little stream. This is so nice. It's like a little secret that I haven't explored yet. It's over this little bridge. Should be a wooded area up ahead if we follow this trail. This is a fantastic trail. Play area, this is it. I think this is the end of the route. What is that? It's like a yellow UFO or something. A little play area. What is that? Anyone tell us what that is? We can cut through. Oh, you put a football through it and it randomly comes out. That's what that is. Fun.